5 Side Hustles in 2024. Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. If you're ready to supercharge your income and unlock new opportunities, then today's video is for you. We're diving into the top 5 side hustles for 2024 that not only pay well, but also give you the flexibility to work on your own terms. So, if you're excited to take control of your financial future, make sure to stick around. 1. Freelancing. Let's kick things off with freelancing. If you have skills in writing, graphic design, programming, or marketing, freelancing can be a game changer. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are booming right now, connecting freelancers with clients who are ready to pay for quality work. Comment below with your freelancing skills. The more you share, the more you inspire others. 2. Online tutoring. Next up, we have online tutoring. The online education sector is hotter than ever, and if you have expertise in a subject, you can turn that knowledge into cash. Websites like tutor.com and Chegg Tutors are perfect for connecting you with students in need of help. What subject are you passionate about? Share it in the comments, and let's see if anyone else is interested in the same topic. 3. E-commerce. Ready to jump into the world of e-commerce? With the rise of online shopping, starting your own store has never been easier. Whether it's handmade crafts, drop shipping, or print on demand, there's a niche for everyone. If you could sell anything online, what would it be? Drop your unique product ideas in the comments. 4. Content creation. Now, let's talk about content creation. Platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram are where the magic happens. Whether you're passionate about cooking, travel, finance, or lifestyle, sharing your expertise can turn into a profitable venture. Plus, you get to build a community of followers who love what you do. What kind of content do you love to create or watch? Tell us in the comments, and let's inspire each other. 5. Virtual assistant. Finally, let's explore the world of virtual assistants. With businesses going digital, the demand for virtual assistants is skyrocketing. You can help entrepreneurs with administrative tasks, customer support, and social media management, all from the comfort of your home. Have you ever thought about being a virtual assistant? Share your thoughts in the comments. So there you have it, folks. Top 5 side hustles for 2024 that can change your financial landscape. Whether you want to turn a passion into profit or simply boost your income, there's something here for everyone. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing content. And hey, let's keep the conversation going. What side hustle are you thinking of trying? Share in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and let's make 2024 our best year yet.